Growth is not accidental. It is engineered. One system at a time. Meet System 52, a structured execution framework built to strengthen operations week by week. From production alignment to financial control to delivery precision. System 52 transforms daily activity into measurable structure. 52 weeks. 52 operational upgrades. Clear instructions, defined outcomes, repeatable execution, designed for discipline, built for scale. One card, 1 week, one system. System 52, powered by Printude.AI.